Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to remove and replace the turn signal light assembly switch on a Honda. You know, it's a dual switch assembly. There's one side on one column, one side of the column, one on the other side. It's got 3 screws mounted in place. There's one right there, one right down in there, and one down in that hole. It's you can't see them because it's just they're so far down in there. But you reach right in there, undo that screw, undo that screw, and undo that one right there. You undo those, slide it up off, and replace the new one. And the plugs are right here on the back side. Some people, you can cheat without taking the column apart and take the airbag off and just undo these 4 screws and pull the switches off. But it's best to go ahead and replace this housing that goes to the clock spring, because it's all made together. It all comes with the switch assembly. So being it's brand new, you're better off, just for liability, to go ahead and replace it all together. Being you got to purchase it all together like that anyways. You can't buy it individually. So hopefully y'all found that video useful. As I said, on how to replace this turn signal switch assembly. What happens, the wipers over time, they quit working on, on max speed. They'll work on, medium or low, or they won't work on low. They'll work on medium or high. It's a real common problem on your Hondas. Sometimes your high beam switch part, it'll go out. The brushes inside the switch assembly. Like I said, but that's how you remove it, and then just do it backwards, reverse the process, putting it on and reinstalling it onto the vehicle. Please, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and you'll have a great day. Hit that thumbs up button.